We are now off to, I think, another UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Oh, there is a train coming.
So you're meant to wait here if there is a bus or a tram. Because the bus goes down there, doesn't it?
Turn right.
Stop, it says. Oh, that's... Oh. Oh. Oh, there is a train coming. Oh. Why did... Well, it doesn't say stop. No. That was dangerous. I mean, they were on, and then they stopped. Yeah. That's slightly worrying. It's only because I could look down there, I could see it. I mean, I guess I could have got across before, but... Yeah, okay. Just watch out for the level crossings. That could have been end of our holiday.
Oh, right.
Soft verge, but he's not stopping. I appreciate it. Is that in Tutu?
Turn left.
It's a bad sign there.
Yeah, what's something?
On your right. You have reached your destination, Haunty. It is on your right.
Just go through. There's no ticket there.
I don't know what it says.
No, but the machines are broken. That's why.
Well, the car went through. I mean, she said it's automatic, but then it's press the button and take it along. It wasn't one. Well, unless it's further down. Nice. It'd be nice to be able to see where the boats are. But I was expecting we probably can't, but I think that's where the boats are, so we can. Yeah, that's where the boats go up there. That could be a reception. Let's just have a look. Well, it's a bit empty in the place. Arrived at the campsite, and we got here. There is a boat coming up the lift. So the boat goes onto a cradle and then goes onto rails. It's not fascinating.
So did it drive onto it? Is that how,
It's got
that in the
it's
water?
it's on the track. You can see it's on the cradle now.
Yeah.
So as it comes through those bollards, I presume it picks up the cradle, and it comes one the other way.
People watching it.
Yeah. As I said, I think it is UNESCO. Welcome back to the channel. We are set up here, which is about an hour south of Gdańsk. We've arrived, reception was closed, there was a German motorhome behind us. They said, oh, it's an automatic barrier, take the ticket, press a button, take a ticket. We got to the barrier, it just went up, no ticket. So we haven't found anyone to pay yet, but it's lovely. Basically, we are here. I'll turn it around. No one is in front of us, and we've got views of the sort of boat lift or boat train. Sprocket's not too keen on it. No one is in front of us. There is electric, but the electric needed a socket of the old French type converter, so I put one of those in. And all is working. I've not checked the polarity, which I must do in a minute. But we'll sit here and just watch the boats going up and down. We're here for a couple of days to chill out after the hustle and the bustle of Gdańsk. For some reason, Pickle wants to be in the shop. Right. No, what are you doing? Oh, we're off again. You found the right milk?
Yeah, tea tastes alright.
Did it say milk on it?
Yeah. Well, not in English.
Not...
But I'd looked it up. But I couldn't find the semi-skim because I couldn't find that. I nearly bought lactose free by mistake.
The story is last time we came 16 years ago, and we bought Rachel's mother, who was 80 at that point. Just stop for a barking session. She's barking at the boat that's going up. So they're sitting in canoes at the back. Now behind me, it looks like they're building a cafe, some sort of centre, so that's the first bit of noise that's just come off that. But that's not a problem really. That'll be nice when it's finished, maybe sit there on the veranda and have a cup of tea. Or vodka if you're Polish.
Well, there's quite a lot of people looking at the boats, aren't there?
Yeah.
So it would be
So anyway, the story of your mother, it might not come out because you haven't got the microphone. So last time we bought Rachel's mother, she was 80, and we'd been to a Tesco's, a massive Tesco's in Poznan, which we'll go into in a few days' time. Poznan, that is, not Tesco's.
well, you could probably test
I'm not sure Tesco's exists over here anymore. Right, Rachel's mother, the only time she went to make a cup of tea, used drinking strawberry yoghurt rather than milk.
only in yours.
Only in mine. So we think that was her way of getting out making cups of tea for the rest of the journey.
She claimed she couldn't read Polish, but milk is quite similar.
Yeah. So that's the standing joke now. I'm just riding up to reception just to see if they're there.
So just going to give you an overview of the site as it is at the moment. Might be more people tonight, I don't know. So they're building something there, and then we've got this spot here just as I wanted it, so we can sit and watch the boats. And there's a couple more vans on site. There's one behind us over there that arrived behind us, and then over to the boat thing, and there's just at the moment an empty sort of cradle going down. Okay, so drinking water. Oh, it's got Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi and toilets. Yeah. So it's in the middle of the countryside, obviously. Reception is not answering at the moment. Possibly still on their lunch break. We've got bins, a reception area. There's some tents and things down in this area. There's a caravan, a camper. That looks like their own country garden, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Plenty of electric everywhere. Each sort of bollard has about 6 electric connections. And I think it was 16 amp looking at it. Let's go back and have a look. I'm going to inspect these facilities. Did I lock the motorhome?
Yeah.
I can't remember. It's a nice sort of communal area.
Because you've got a tent.
Yeah.
That's quite nice if it's raining.
And that's got electric in there as well.
Was it?
Yeah. I can see 6 connections. There's a slight bit of mud in various places here, which I think is to do not with rain, but I think it's to do with the actual canal. So I did walk the grass, make sure that wasn't muddy, and it's not. It's just a couple of places actually on the road pass of it. A service block here with sinks on the outside, a Wi-Fi code, toilets. Modern looking sink, lots of toilet paper. We've got recycling and the Wi-Fi code again, and then showers. I'd say the showers are as good as, if not nicer, than where we've just been. Nice. Just giving the dogs a quick walk down to the mechanism to see what that's like. It's now cooling off. It's about 7 o'clock at night, and just trying a different method with the microphones to see if it's any better. So this is how you get onto the boats, or how you get off the boats if you want to. One going up, empty one coming down into the water, and I guess the rails must run all the way underneath. I'm not sure where they stop. What a lovely sound. I probably said before, it is water powered, as it was intended to about 160 years ago, and they use this system instead of locks because they needed to raise the boats about 100 metres, about 300 foot, which is too much
for locks. So the canal originally had, is it 4 of these and a flight of locks, and then they replaced the flight of locks with another one of these. So there's 5 of these along the canal. Tempted to get my bike out maybe tomorrow and go and find one of the others. Looks like they've got traffic lights telling you to stop there and wait for the cradle. So the lights have gone green. There is a boat coming. The cradle is just coming through the water now, so we're going to watch one load. So the mechanism has stopped. There is a boat coming.
Do they ring the bell?
I don't know, I presume so. I presume you ring to say you're ready. Hello. I suppose it's like going into a normal lock, isn't it? Maybe you have to have a pilot, I don't know. Maybe you have to have a pilot, in other words, someone with you. Yeah, down that side. That's the guy working the machinery. There we go, I've been waiting to say it. Elvis has left the building. So this is a car park at the main end if you're just going to come to have a look at the boats. And there's a cafe here. Still open at the moment, but we're not going to have anything at the moment.
Well, I don't think we get in
No.
for a bit.
And that looks like that looks like it's the tickets.
Yeah.
It's about £15. It's not bad. It depends. What is it for? Oh, it's in English. Full fare.
I've got a bit of gist because I'm a senior.
Yeah.
No.
Is it not in English?
Yes. The ropes are used in order to move carriages on which situated swimming units.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's all stopped now. The chap that was working it is getting on his bike. Good morning, this is day 2 on the site by the canal, and we're just walking up now to find the water wheel that powers it. So at the top end of the incline there's a cafe, there's a little shop, a little museum up here as well. Just an update, I went to go and use the showers and decided not to, although they're all very modern looking as I showed you on the video, but they haven't got locks on the door and there's nowhere to hang anything inside, so you'd have to come out sort of starkers to get your towel. So I decided we'd missed that and we'd shower in the van. Sure you wanted to know that. in our country, health and safety would have something on this bit, wouldn't it? So the wires actually, so you could touch them, and kids could put their hands in there and get them crushed in that boulder, couldn't they? That would be all fenced off in our country. Decided to cycle and find one of the other lifts. There's a boat just going. I followed a track along the side, and it is just a track. You have to be really careful. There are some holes, and then luckily I noticed this. I got here, and as I say, the bridge is out. Gonna have to lift it across there, but we are nearly at the incline plane, just over there, I think. So we're now at the next incline plane. I've just put the drone up as the wind dropped a little bit. This one is slightly different. It's less touristy, shall I say, and because of that there's even less sort of safety features on this one. There's not even barriers to stop it going on the track, so you can get quite close. Obviously you don't want to. There's a ship coming. So the bella's gone at the bottom. There's nothing at the top, so it should just be an empty cage coming towards us in a moment.